Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on mute notifications from people who don't follow you on your account on X, Twitter. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and safety. Now click mute and block, and click mute notifications, and here as you see you'll find from people who don't follow you. Just click on it and it will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.